Hey there! Did you know that quokkas are actually small wallabies that call Western Australia home? They're famous for their adorable smiles, which have earned them the title of world's happiest animal. These little guys can live up to 10 years in the wild, and they love munching on leaves, grasses, and fruits. But what's really cool is that they're amazing swimmers and can paddle around for miles. Quokkas are super social too, and they live in big groups. And the best part? They're protected by conservation laws in Australia, so we can make sure these happy critters stick around.